slap in the face.
And you know what the sad thing is? They know firsthand like how the police do target people of color, and yet they say stand for black women, but it's only select few.
Well, after $10,000, I got all my stuff taken care of.
Yeah.
But just say if I couldn't afford an attorney, how would it turn out?
Is that the case you're working on right now? Is that what you mentioned before? I think you.
Oh, that is something totally different. One of the guys on TikTok said that he said I made a threat against him so he could get a stalking order. I have never threatened him.
Wow.
Oh, but if you need to reach out to me on Instagram, I might be able to help you with that because I've been both the plaintiff in a case like that and a defendant in a case like that. In fact, I was the defendant against Lady Guinevere. She tried to file a harassment charge against me. I represented myself, and they didn't even need to take a testimony from me, and she had like all this quote unquote evidence. The case got dismissed. So
well, my case got dismissed. He didn't show up.
Oh, good. Okay.
It happened Friday, but it's in Florida. I live 500 miles from where the court case was, so I hired an attorney because I didn't want to go. Right. And I'm a woman. He's a man. Like I don't feel safe going there.
Right.
And but they said I heard that he refiled. So.
Oh, you're kidding? He didn't show. He didn't show. They should dismiss it. So he filed a whole new.
And he said he was sitting out there the whole time the courtroom was filled with people. I was like, that's not true because that's not that's a closed courtroom when you have a protection order.
So weird.
It's not open to the public.
Do you mind if I ask who or
well, I don't really want to say his name.
Yeah,
I'll send it to you because it's still ongoing. Because I have stuff I'm going to do to him, so I just don't want it to appear that I'm harassing him.
Yeah, no. Are you on IG?
Mm-hmm. But guns.
Okay. You could find me either under Washington Dog Dad. That's like my innocent private account. So I'm not going to add anybody else that sends like Squidward. I would add, but I'm not going to add anybody else from the comment section unless I know who you are to that account. But that's probably the easiest account to look up on IG. Yeah, that's mostly like that's not. I don't do really call outs on there. I just do like videos of my dogs and stuff. My other account where I do call outs, I think that's Honey Badger _Dog Dad _FUQIBTL, which is a group on here that rolls with the other group. But yeah, Washington Dog Dad is easy to remember.
And I'm always like afraid of giving my Instagram to people on here because it has my name, like my actual name, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, no, I would create a second one if you're going to do anything.
Yeah,
I would keep my suggestion. My suggestion to anybody online is keep all your stuff private as much as you can, and don't trust anybody. Like, don't trust anybody with your phone number, your real name. Just don't, because. Especially not, I'll say this, the people that they all love to claim that I doxed, I did this, I did that. I don't dox. I will expose people who dox. I will expose people who harass and try to get other people to unalive themselves. And so if you're doxing people on a regular basis, if you're harassing people to try and get them to unalive themselves on a regular basis, I will try to find you and I will expose who you are because you shouldn't be doing that kind of stuff. And after my court cases, I do believe in returning the First Amendment right to those that are weaponizing and causing harm to other people. So there's that. That's why a lot of people hate me.